How to perform ablution. 1. Have the intention in your heart of purify yourself and say Bismillah. The water used must be pure, colorless, odorless and tasteless. 2. Wash your hands up to your wrists 3 times. 3. Put water in the mouth with the right hand and reject it 3 times. 4. Put water in the nose with the right hand and reject it 3 times. 5. Wash your face with your right hand 3 times. 6. Wash the forearms to the elbow, starting with the right 3 times. 7. Pass both wet hands, going from the forehead, to the hair up to the neck, in 1 time. 8. Clean your ears from inside and outside 1 time for each ear. The water must be poured into the ear and the index finger used to wash the inside of the ear and the thumb for the outside of the ear. 9. Wash the feet to the ankles starting with the right foot 3 times. Do not forget between the toes. 10. Finally say the
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله.
I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah.